Let's make my Hopi quilt pattern that uses a charm pack, and you will be sewing this together so unbelievably fast. Now I am using leftover 5-inch squares from a homebody collection by Maureen Cracknell. But with all that said, you're going to select 12 5-inch squares and subcut them into two 2.5-inch by 5-inch rectangles, leaving you with a total of 24 rectangles. And that is it. Everything is done, and now it is time to lay out our pattern because our blocks are finished. Then within each row, you will start with a 5-inch square, followed by a rectangle, then a square and a rectangle, and so on until you end in a 5-inch square. Now each row will have a total of 7 5-inch squares and 6 2.5-inch by 5-inch rectangles. Then all you have to do is repeat this pattern until you have made a total of 4 rows. Then, as always, you'll just sew all your blocks together to form a row, and then lastly, sew your rows together to complete your quilt top. And here is what my quilt top looks like all complete. For the backing, I am using a coordinating print from within the collection, and for the thread choice, I am going with glide threads in the color Bagabai Green. Now this does look a little bit more green on camera, but in person it does lean a bit more on the brown side with a tint of green. But anyways, here is what my quilt looks like all finished. One charm pack will yield you a 18-inch by 41-inch long table runner, and if you use 3 charm packs and keep the same row's width at 41 inches but add 8 more rows, you will yield a toddler-sized quilt measuring 41 inches by 54 inches, just to give you some more options. But if you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.